Now we are going to see about the pages. Inserting a page or delete a page or moving the page. You should know about InDesign pages. You can managing the pages in the layout menu under pages submenu, and you can manage in the pages panel, and you can find many options in the pages panel. You can see the thumbnail of all of the pages. If you double click on the spread number, instantly it takes me right to the spread. This is facing pages document. You can see right hand and left hand pages. Now the pages thumbnail is in vertical alignment. You can change it. Go to pages panel menu and go to view pages. If you select horizontally, the pages thumbnail now align horizontally. This is very useful one to navigating the pages. Now I double click on page number 28. Instantly it take me to that page. Then I want to add a new page after 28. Go and press this plus icon. This is new page creation button. Now a new page is created after page 28. And all other pages are shuffled. Now 29th page automatically moved to page number 30. In the same way, all other pages are moved to the next page. If you want to add too many pages at the same time, go to pages panel menu and click insert pages. Here you can set how many pages you want, 2 pages or 3 pages, and you can set the option after page you selected or before page you selected, or start of the document or end of the document. I want 3 pages at end of the document, so I select at the end of the document option and click OK. Now 3 pages are created after end of the document. If you want to duplicate the pages, I shrink it down. Select page number once. Now 24 and 25 both pages are selected. I hold Alt key in the keyboard and drag it. Now a little box appeared with the cursor and release the mouse button. Now pages are duplicated. Now 26 and 27, 24 and 25 are same, and you can change the pages order in the pages panel. I select 26 and 27 page and drag here between 30 and 31 and 32 and 33. Release the mouse. Now the duplicated pages come to this place and 26-27 page is changed. If you want to delete unwanted pages, select once and hold Control key and select all other pages and click this delete button in the pages panel. Now InDesign warned me the affected pages contain objects. Delete the page anyway. I click OK. Now the unwanted pages are deleted. These are pages panel features. Thank you for watching. I will meet you the next lesson.